Hello friends, and welcome to my channel Power of Spirituality. Today we will talk about the missing tile syndrome, which is nothing but focusing on what is missing in your life and how this is a major cause of your unhappiness. My name is Ankit Verma, and since my recovery from brain tumor 3 years ago, I am on a spiritual path. And my motive behind making this channel is to let everyone aware of my learnings so that they can also benefit from the same. In our life, we often feel unhappy because life is not happening around. Now try to live between the lines. Life is not happening around. We are trying to control life. We are focusing on what is missing in life, and that makes us really unhappy. Actually, this is where all the problems start. But look closely. Is your life really not happening your way? Or are you so much focused on what is missing in your life that you are ignoring what is amazing in your life right now? Let me explain this by an example. Just imagine you are sitting in your room right now and looking towards the ceiling. And you notice that one tile is missing from the ceiling. Just one. Now, where would you concentrate your vision on? What would you look at the most? The answer obviously is the missing tile, right? Now that is fine for a ceiling. I mean, after all, you can replace a tile in the ceiling and ceiling will be fine again. But this is not true for life. What we are missing in our life or what we think is missing from our life cannot be replaced most of the times. Unlike ceiling, life can never be perfect. For that reason, concentrating on the missing tiles in your life is actually a big problem. Let me give you some more examples. When a bald man enters a room full of people, what do you think he will see? All he will see is hair. But for me, my hair is fine, right? So that is not something I will notice when I enter that room. But a bald man will, because for him, his hair is the missing tile in his life. This applies to other areas of your life also. For example, if a woman has imperfect legs and if she enters a room full of women, all she will see is perfect legs. Same is the case with a woman who is trying to get pregnant. Whenever she goes outside, all she sees is pregnant women. Now, how is that possible? Everyone cannot be pregnant at the same time, right? It's not possible. But it's where she chooses to put her attention on. She is trying to conceive a child and maybe she is failing. And that's why all she notices are pregnant women. This not able to conceive a child is the missing tile in her life. That's the way human nature is. We focus on what is missing in our life instead of what is actually there in our life to make us happy. The missing tile syndrome is the biggest obstacle to happiness. It is so big that actually it makes being happy really impossible. There will always be something missing from your life. For example, if you see others' children, you will see some tiles that are missing in your children. Hey, why can't my kid be that smart or that tall or that brilliant, cannot sing that good or not good at poetry drawing? It will always be there. The same holds true for our spouses, our work, our colleagues, basically every area of our life. The list is endless. That's the way we play tricks on ourselves and undermine our happiness by focusing on the missing tile, which everyone has. So the choice is really simple. Do we focus on the rest of the ceiling, or should we focus only on that tile which is missing? To a large extent, the answer to this question will determine your happiness. The choice is always yours. Just one thing, being happy requires constant efforts, but with time this becomes your habit. With this we come to an end of this video. Thank you for taking this journey with me. And if you have any queries for me, please leave those queries in a comment section below and I will try to answer them for you. My aim is to change 100 lives this year, and you can be a part of this mission by sharing this video with everyone whom you think can benefit from it. Also, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Press the notification icon so that you stay updated on any upcoming videos in this channel. May you have all the abundance, peace, love and happiness in life. Thank you very much.